Let's move to the now question number 24. What they're telling us, a train covered a certain distance at uniform speed. If train would 6 km per hour faster, it would take 4 hours less than scheduled time. And if train were slower by this much, it would take 6 hours more than scheduled time. Find the length of journey. So we need to find the length of journey means what we need to find the distance. And speed is also given here. So basically what we can assume initially, let speed of train originally, okay, so let speed of train be x kilometer per hour, and second quantity what we will assume, time be y hours. Okay, the two things we assuming, speed we assuming x kilometer per hour and time is what, y hours. So from that we can obtain length of journey. What is the formula? Speed formula already we know, speed is equal to what, distance over time. So from that, what will be the formula of the distance? If you're making distance as a subject, time will go other side in multiplication, so that will be speed multiplied time. So what is basically the length of journey? X times y. This is the length of journey. Now see the scenario number 1. If train would 6 km per hour faster. So according to the case 1, what is the speed? 6 km per hour faster. The original speed is x. 6 km hour faster means new speed is x plus 6 km per hour. Then it will take 4 hours less than scheduled time. Okay, so we are talking here about what, the time, but one thing is very clear, whatever speed increasing or decreasing, the distance will remain what, same only. So originally time was y, now the time is what, 4 hours less, so time will be what, y minus 4 hours. So what will be the distance, speed into time? Speed is x plus 6, time is y minus 4, that equal to distance which is xy. Okay, whatever speed increasing, and of course speed increasing, the time will the decrease only, but ultimately the distance between two object or to the cities will remain same only, so that will be equal to xy only. So this is equation number 1. Now simple multiplication we will do, binomials. So x will multiply with other bracket y minus 4 plus 6 will multiply with other bracket y minus 4. So just apply distributive property, xy minus 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to xy. So positive xy other side negative, so that will get eliminated. Minus 4x plus 6y, 24 send that side. Just divide entire equation by 2. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Give it number 1. So this was a case 1. Now see the case 2. Case 2 also we have to write a speed and time as per the given information. Case 2 what telling, if train were slower by 6 km per hour, so new speed is x minus 6 km per hour. Then it would take 6 hours more, so time will be y plus 6 hours. Again ultimately what we can say, speed into time is equal to distance which is xy only. Again same story, distributive property we will use here. So what will happen here, xy plus 6x minus 6y minus 6 into plus 6 negative 36 equal to xy. Again xy eliminated, 6x minus 6y equal to positive 36 other side. You can see that we can simply divide entire equation by 6, so x minus y equal to 6, give it number 2. Now what we have to do, just solve these equations simultaneously. For example, I want to eliminate x, so I'll multiply this equation by 2. So first equation is, it is negative 2x positive 3y equal to 12. Second equation multiply by 2, so 2x minus 2y equal to 12. So what will happen, these will eliminated, 3y minus 2y, and here 12 plus 12 will be 24. This we can plug any of the equation. For example, I am putting in equation number 2, x minus 24 equal to 6, so x will be 30. So what basically they are asking us, length of journey, which is xy. So hence the length of journey means the distance between two the object, 24 multiplied by 30, which will be 720 kilometers. This is the answer. I hope this is clear. Next, see now question number 25. What they telling, Anuj had some chocolates and he divided them into two lots, lot A, lot B. He sold first lot at rupees 2 for 3 chocolates and second lot 1 rupee per chocolate and got this much rupees. Same thing, other scenario given. So we have to find total number of chocolate he had. So two the lots are there, so we can assume number of chocolate in lot A x and number of chocolate in lot B y. So let's start with that. What we can take, let number of chocolates in lot A be x and in lot B be y. Now see scenario number 1, case number 1. What they're telling, lot A rupees 2 for 3 chocolate. Lot A, what they're telling, rupees 2 for 3 chocolates, and lot B rupee 1 for 1 chocolate. Oh yeah. Now listen, and like that total how much amount is getting, 400 rupees. So what equation we can frame? Now see what we assume, in the lot A total x chocolates are there. Okay, so 2 rupees 3 means in for 3 chocolates he is getting 2 rupees. Okay, so like this we can follow the unary method. Unary method means we have to find the amount, we have to find actually the rupees. So whatever we have to find, that keep on right side. So 3 chocolate 2 rupees. So we have in lot A x chocolates. So x chocolates how many rupees? So this cross multiply, x into 2, 2x, and 3 will go down. 2x by 3 rupees in total, right? So for lot A in the scenario 1, 2x by 3 rupees. And the second scenario is what for B lot, 1 rupee for 1 chocolate. So total y chocolates are there. So total amount generated is what? Y multiply 1, which is y. So total if we doing, that is 400. So like that we can frame equation number 1. Again, just write in standard form by taking LCM. The 2x plus 3y is equal to 1200. Give it number 2. So this is case number 1. Now case number 2, what they're telling, he sold first lot at rupees 1 per chocolate and second lot 4 rupees for 5 chocolates. So now A is what, rupee 1 for 1 chocolate, and B lot, what is the scenario, rupees 4 for 5 chocolates. Rupees 4 for how many chocolates? 5 chocolates. So now what we can understand for lot B, 5 chocolates 4 rupees. So in lot B we have y chocolates. The y chocolates how many rupees? According to unary method, this cross multiply 4y and 5 will go in denominator, and in this scenario for lot A 1 rupee 1 chocolate, so it is x chocolate, so x multiply 1 x rupees, and here 4y upon 5 rupees, the total amount generated what, 460. Again LCM is 5, so 5x plus 4y, 500, 5633, 5420 plus 323. This is number 2. So we have to just solve these equations simultaneously. So what I will do, for example, I want to eliminate the y. You can eliminate any variable, that's up to you. For example, this time I want to eliminate y, so multiply this with 4 and this with 3. So 4 to 8x, 4 3 12y, 12 4 4800. Here 3 5 15x, 3 4 12y, 23 3 6900. Perform the subtraction now. So focus on this new sign that already I explained the previous videos. So kindly just go through that one more time, those who are seeing the first time this video. So 12 by 12 by card, 8x minus 15x negative 7x, 4800 minus 6900 will give you 2100 negative. So negative negative eliminated, 2100 divided by 7, which is 300. Again, this we can put any of the equation. For example, I am putting in equation number 1. So 2 times 300 plus 3y equal to 1200. So 2 times 3 will become 600 plus 3y equal to 1200. So 600 will shift this side. So 1200 minus 600, which will give you 600. So y will be 600 over 3, which will give you 200. So we need to find total number of chocolates. So lot A 300 chocolates we got, lot B we got 200 chocolates. So hence total chocolates is equal to what? X plus Y means 500 chocolates in total. I hope this is clear.